Hey everyone, it's Kia Telluride, no pressure car guy here at Peak Kia North in Windsor, Colorado. Today we want to show you the brand new 2023 Telluride with some new redesigns from the previous year. The new 2023 Kia Telluride has a miniature redesign with the front fascia, the rear fascia, and the headlights are different than the previous model years. The X Pro is the top trim level in the 2023, and what it adds is a half an inch higher ride height, the 18-inch wheels with the all-terrain tires, special X Pro badging on the inside of the seats, and a 500-pound more tow capacity. There's multiple different options in wheels depending on trim level. They're all going to be 20-inch wheels unless you get the X Pro, which is going to be 18-inch black alloy finish. In the 2023s, the entertainment system is way larger. It's going to be a 24-inch widescreen, which in tail has two screens in one. Another add-on is the rear view mirror, which is going to be a digital mirror where you can see almost a 360 view behind you, which you have the option to turn off if you don't like it. As always, Kia is big into safety features for collision avoidance, assistance with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and junction turning. So if you're turning a corner, it's going to alert you if someone's there and actually hit the brake if you're about to hit somebody. It's going to have intelligent speed limit assist. If you want it to, it will tell you what speed limit is and keep you at that speed limit in cruise control. 360 camera in the SX trim level, forward collision, distance warning in the SX and EX, and then also rear reverse collision in all of them. As far as seating goes, there is an 8-seater option on the LX and the EX trim level. If you're looking at all the other ones, you're going to be looking for 7-passenger seating with second row captain's chairs. If you have any questions about these vehicles, feel free to call or stop by the dealership in Windsor, Colorado.